Happy Diwali to you all from Aspirants Commerce Tutorial. May the rich blessings of Mahalakshmi be showered from the fountain of light on this Diwali. Thank you for your kind support. Uh, this is second anniversary of the act. I have been started 2 year 2 years back, that Aspirants Commerce YouTube channel, to help the students in pandemic. That is on 25th October 2020 on Dasara Vijayadashmi we have started the channel, and with your support it is been now having 240 subscribers, and we have, if we have 1000 subscribers, we can go online live sessions to help the students. I am trying to make live sessions also, but for that I need 1000 subscribers. If you have already subscribed, please tell others to subscribe, and not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel. शुभ दीपावली. सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, तो सीखते रहिए जीतने के लिए. जय हिंद.